a tiny proportion of us who have been working on climate change for years. Tesla come along, they make the coolest car that you can buy, the fastest car that you can buy, and although some people in the green community might be skeptical of that, but it's kind of too mainstream for them almost, or too much embracing sort of models of consumption they don't like. The effect that Tesla has had on the industry generally, and on consumers, and on the kind of mindset of the world in terms of, is there a version of the future in which we get to have loads of great experiences and great products, whilst also reducing fossil fuel use very radically? I think the Tesla model is enormously important in making the answer to that question yes. And I think that's really important because the psychology of climate change